Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and this is the second part in this video of retrofitting a 2014 Silverado seat, Chevy Silverado seat into my 1961 Chevy Apache. So, in the first video I was showing, Lynn was tacking it up. Now he's welding it in, and this is an additional piece here, section in between, just strengthening and giving it rigidity. What's interesting is in the process of doing this, we saw that for some strange reason, when you move the backs of the seat, you fold the backs of the seat down, it torqued the entire seat. So we're kind of chasing a ghost. We don't know what is causing it, but trying to figure out how do we firm these seats up, still be able to slip the leather seat cover and cushions over. So there's two bottoms and two backs. And you have to be able to firm the seat up, but still be able to slide the cushions on without cutting them or changing any of that the way the seats are set up. So kind of an interesting thing, something we really didn't anticipate. Seen other videos about retrofitting these seats, but didn't see anything like this. So Lynn noodled it for a while, came up with a solution, and it ended up working out really well. So I'll have a couple of more videos showing the seat installation and then the final product, but just wanted to chop these up into manageable videos that can give an explanation. So again, thanks for watching. Appreciate the support. Any comments, questions, leave them below. Consider subscribing, and catch you on the next video.